minis.
Superhero mystery minis.
Superhero mystery minis.
Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna open it.
Okay. Okay.
Here, open that.
Okay. Open the box. 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 Open
What's in there?
Give me.
Okay, we'll cut a little hole in it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see where is that.
What's in there?
I see a foot in there. I see a foot in there.
You see the foot? Come on.
Where? Which one you take it?
You open from here.
Okay. Okay.
What is that?
It's Supergirl.
Supergirl.
Yep, it's Supergirl.
Show the camera. Show it. It's Supergirl. Put it right next to us so they can see it.
Supergirl.
Supergirl. Okay.
Another one. She can stand right here, but she don't stand very well. Maybe she sound like on my.
Okay, which one is this one?
Okay. We got another one.
What did we get?
We got another
Right there.
one.
Who is that?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
We already have one.
Yeah, we got extra.